Hello, welcome to TotalSync. Today I'm going to show you how to install TotalSync on your Windows computer. First, download the TotalSync installer from our website. After a few seconds, the installation file will appear in your browser. Here's where to find it in various web browsers: for Chrome, for Firefox, for Microsoft Edge. Once downloaded, click the installer. Click Yes. Most users can accept the default options. Now, this is the final step. Click Finish. Congratulations! TotalSync is now installed on your computer. You are now ready to sign in or sign up, which we will demonstrate in the next video.